Lyngdoh Sohblei na keleng ki benta jangka South Asia kilawan banshim benta haka general body meeting jangka Boscom kabala sedang benta kesengi arpusan tarik rempang has Siloam Ribhoi district. Haka por menstep shuaban sedang yaka program keladon shua kajing priang burom bat kajing pen itu yakumba lai pongut ki Lyngdoh haka jing elang kabala long ha Dominic Jala Memorial Hall. Lapan syongkun ya ke program da kajing ruai sedang na kasamla Mona Lisa Rembai bat buat part sa kajing keren pediang Sohblei na u provincial jang ke Shillong province Father John Zosiama. Hadian kani la buat sa kajing penkup buram ya baro da ka shol bat kiwe ki jing ai Sohblei. Hakani ke program ki kena aspiran na don Bosco nong lakyat kila pensyongkun shu ya ke program sedang jong kajing ya kendulang. Kadu la yo opat ya kajing pentip iki program baro ki badai na benta kani ka meeting da upadar PJ Pulinthanat SDB.
To present you a welcome song which is also the theme song of the Boscom General Body Meeting. Certain now the world is present light and every whisper surging kicks on the top streets and lights like fireflies and jars. We gotta teach them how to hold a spark without the stars. In the spirit of Don Bosco, there's a promise we remember to keep the young from drifting into nights without a shelter. So we tune our voices soften like a guitar at dawn. We say that down for mercy where the signals go wrong. Let's just bring the fires, not the screams and smoke. Light a single light and not the general of the soul. Media and vision, let the kindness be led. Open digital spaces where every young heart bends. There's a rhythm in the classroom and a rhythm in the feet. We can be the steady heartbeat that answers every need. Honoring the shadows and the father brave. Teach them how to leave a footprint that's kind to what they say. Don Bosco taught to guide them, not to scold them from the side. So we welcome every question, put each lonely child inside. Welcome Bosco members, glad you're here, glad you came. This general body meeting's more than just a name. Delegates, take a seat, bring your wisdom, bring your care. We will be platforms where compassions meet repair. Let us sing the fires that can warm and glow. Let us stitch together where the young can grow. Media and mission story, voices spreading true. Hope in every headline, mercy in the view. We will teach them how to listen before teaching them to pose. Teach them digital courage, how to stand and when to close. Wrong channel corners, flapping doors. Let's sing to lead the way, like men to run the river banks who help you find the way. So here's the careful shepherds to the pages we will write, to make an acts of kindness in the blue night. Welcome Bosco, welcome delegates. Let's carry this refrain. Sing your fires for the young, love our hands on every man. Thank you so much. Welcome.
So dear fathers and brothers and dear friends, we are very happy to welcome all of you to Shillong province for this Boscom GB meeting. In a special way, on behalf of the Salesian province of Shillong, I extend a warm and fraternal welcome to all the delegates gathered here for the Boscom meeting, and we are deeply honored to host you at St. John Paul II, Siloam Province. A very special and respectful welcome to Father Fidel Maria Orendai, the General Counselor for Social Communication of our congregation, who has come all the way from Rome, together with his team members, Father Ricardo, Father Poli, and Father Satish Pro. Their presence among us is a strong sign of communion with the congregation and a source of encouragement for all those who engage in the mission of social communication. Your guidance continues to inspire us to integrate media and mission in a creative and responsible solution way. We also extend a warm welcome to Father Ashley Miranda, the provincial in charge of social communication here in South Asia. Thank you, Father, for your leadership, vision, and constant animation to the communication sector here in our region. Likewise, we are also happy to welcome Father Ernest Rosario, the Boscom delegates of SPCSA, whose commitment and coordination have greatly contributed to the role of solution communication initiatives in the region. And welcome all the delegates. You are most welcome to Siloam Province, a province known for its cultural diversity, deep faith traditions, vibrant youth population. So our province began in 2012 at its center at Silchar. Before it was known as Silchar Province. After 1 year, it was the headquarters transferred to Shillong. And so anyway, it is the same INS. But it is a Shillong Province now. Some of them are still making a mistake, Silchar Province even now also. Now we are already 14 years old, just going to be. So I'm the third provincial only. So that it is one of the fastest growing provinces, not only in Asia, all over the world maybe, in terms of numbers and vocations. So we are already 328 confreres at present. We have so many young confreres, and also our aspirant is full of aspirants. So you will also listen to their song. There's a class 11 and 12 studying in Nolaki, a few kilometers away from here. And also we are spread out in 4 states. Here in Meghalaya, more than half of Meghalaya, and the other half is under Guwahati Province, Garo Hills. The rest is under us. And then Assam, parts of Barak Valley, and Tripura, Mizoram. So we spread out in 4 states, and we have around 42 communities. And so most of the places we are working in the parish. So many parishes we are still running. Youth centers, and the schools, colleges, technical schools, like that. We are engaging in various pastoral works, and so one of them is this one, media. So we are also grateful to the Media Commission under the guidance of Father Michael McCree. Our province has especially increasingly recognizing the importance of social communication as an integral part of evangelization and youth ministry. So through the initiative Michael Boscom Media Network Television, under the guidance of Father Michael McCree, and other digital and grassroots media efforts, we strive to create platforms that educate, empower, and inspire, which promoting ethical communication, digital responsibility. So you will also see that our center there on the last day, as we are going to have a program. So we are happy to host this Boscom GB meeting here in our province, maybe for the first time I think. So this place, Siloam, is a center for transformation and leadership training, or a retreat center we can also call. So it was started in 2006 under the direction and the initiatives of Father George Palamatam, who is not here, who is sick now in Kerala taking a treatment. So let us also remember and pray for him. It has grown, this center. It is a place for young people and for so many groups of people who come here for retreat, animation programs like this. So we are also grateful to him, and we are also grateful to the other fathers who are here, Father L.P. Anthony and Father Kenny Noru. So welcome each and every one of you. Enjoy your stay here in Siloam and also in Shillong, the last day you will be safe. So welcome once again. God bless you all.
ID, you will have your bag, the programs, and the jacket.
Thank you, Father Ricardo, once again.
What is called this one?
One more. Give your hands.
And we'll ask Father Ivor.
So many. Okay.
We call on stage next Father Francis Xavier. And Kid will start and the memento. Next we have on stage Father Sudhakar. May we invite Father Sudhakar. Then Ivor as well. Father Ivor, our commission member from Shillong province. Next on stage we have Father Bromeo from Guwahati province. Next we have Jimmy. Father Bromeo, please come on stage. Jimmy, Father Jimmy from Guwahati province, please come on stage. Next, we have Father Rajiv of the Hyderabad province. We invite you also on stage. Next, we have Father Santosh Mundu from Dimapur province. Father Santosh, please come on stage. Next we have our most powerful man of India, Satish Paul from the Generalate. After Satish, we have the greatest among us, greater than Makri, Father Fidel, our General Counselor from Rome. After Fidel, we have our Chief Editor, Father Bastin Delesri, also representing the Bangalore province. Father Bastin. After Father Bastin, we have the Assistant Prime Minister of India, Father Edward Sakrawat from Delhi province. After Father Edward, we have Father George Shining, our MC for today, and also commission members of the Shillong province. Then we have Father Blasius Tete from Dimapur province. After Father Blasius, we have Father John Zuziyama, the Provincial of Shillong province. Father Provincial, yes, no, I cannot come now. You put the shawl on Father Provincial. No. After Father Provincial, the Vice Provincial of Guwahati province, Father Vivan Buki. May we invite you on stage. We have Father Nathaniel. Father Nathaniel. Next we have Father C.M. Paul Father CM Paul is our guru. May I invite on stage Father M.B. Anthony, the Assistant Director of Siloam. May I also invite on stage Father Kenny Namru, also Assistant Director of Siloam. Is there anyone who have not received the seminar kit? Makri already got everything. Okay.